This diaphragm was looking a little bit sketchy, so I ordered a replacement one for it, and I'm going to switch it out today. I got it installed. First of all, the needle they sent with it was bottoming out and hanging up, so I swapped out the needle that came out with the old one. Now if you notice, it goes all the way down to the shoulder in here where it seats, and on the other carb I noticed that that's all the farther it goes down. Definitely not the same distance. We look at this one, we look at this one, there's a huge difference. And also you can see that step inside there, it's not going all the way down to that step. So my question is the replacement one the correct one that should be in there, and should it come all the way down to the step inside the carburetor and seat on it, or should it be stopping about 3/16 of an inch from that shoulder when it comes down inside there? If that's the case, then somebody had installed the wrong parts before, and I need to order another diaphragm slider assembly to put in this carburetor over here. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you.